Just a few minutes from my home stand the ruins of Coity Castle. Although originally established soon after 1100, much of the castle dates from the 14th century and later. Parts were rebuilt following the siege by Owain Glyndŵr in 1404 to 1405. The castle began as a late 11th century ringwork, that is, earth and timber. A rectangular stone keep and the main curtain wall were added by the Normans in the 12th century. We entered the castle through the east gate, which was once defended with a portcullis and a drawbridge. There's one thing that intrigues experts is that as you pass through the eastern gatehouse to enter the inner ward, you practically stumble over the foundation walls of this large, rather rectangular building, which is set at a peculiar angle, almost against the gatehouse itself. Indeed, it is hard to see how it could possibly be accessed, or how the gatehouse could be used with this odd structure blocking the entrance passage. What it's used for or why it's built in such a peculiar location is still a mystery. Coity Castle still has well-preserved Norman features. Although it's now in ruins, wandering around the castle, I sat for a moment and imagined the sound of distant battle cries. Like much of the castle, the keep was substantially altered during the 14th century. Most of what remains dates to that period. This wall leading to the upper ward is pierced with 8 arrow slits directed towards the southern section of the moat, which was probably drained at that time. These openings had an unusual form similar to a cross, in which this horizontal slit was separated by 2 small stones. Inside the inner bailey we may still view the ruins of either 14th century buildings, including the Great Hall and its service block, with a kitchen, buttery and pantry, and an interesting circular malting kiln. Next to the castle stands St Mary's Church. The current building was completed by the early 14th century, although it is known that worship has been conducted on this site from the earliest of Norman times. Well, thank you for watching. It would be much appreciated if you subscribe to my channel. And please visit my website, link in the description below. Bye.